Hello everybody, I'm Karim Khalid Noman and this Plaxis 2D 3D course chapter 2 difference between Plaxis software and CSI software. Difference between CSI software and Plaxis software. This is an important question. This question, you'll find it in any respectable geotechnical company. What is the difference between CSI software and Plaxis? Plaxis 2D, 3D, CSI, SAP, ETAP, SAFE. Someone will say, we are solving a structure like raft on CSI software. For example, SAFE. What is the necessity of using Plaxis? So, when we are using SAFE to solve any foundation, the raft directly on pile, you know pile, deep foundation. I'll give it stiffness equal pile stiffness, previous explained. The calculation of subgrade modulus for the soil manual. We can calculate subgrade modulus Ks for sand soil. It's equal to if it medium 25 to 1 to 5, Denise 1 to 5 to 375 ATS. The calculation of subgrade modulus in software like SAFE. This is my model. This model was solved on SAFE software. The boundary, this boundary, had Ks and the middle had another Ks. In picture 2, soil subgrade modulus, we click on it to modify the property to 1830. It will be appear here in the middle zone. Model the soil as a spring. We give it KS called spring subgrade modulus. But if there are any overlap in soil, the model will be wrong. Showing it every data you are 100% sure in it. In this course I will teach you how to model in correct way, and this is the difference between Plaxis and CSI software. In Plaxis the model will be correct. In CSI the model will be wrong.